Oh, wow. Ladies and gentlemen, it is your main event. And here he comes, Wild Boar. Wow. Well, we've just been splashed on by Wild Boar, but here he comes. Wild Boar. What? Wow. The build on Wild Boar is Wild Boar, very recognized in our industry. What a wrestler, what a guy.
Former NXT UK wrestler as well.
Yes, sir. The Boar is ready tonight. Against our Hustle champion, Rayne Leverkusen. She has to be on her A game tonight. I'll tell you that for sure.
Yeah.
Ruthless, man. Here she comes. Here she is, our Hustle wrestling champion. And I tell you for free, she's been through hell and back.
Yeah.
Injury after injury after injury. And still, man, this woman, man, is amazing.
Yeah.
For heart, for determination, for charisma, our Hustle wrestling champion has arrived.
She sure has. Like you said, setback after setback after setback. And she still managed to persevere through.
I've got too much respect for this woman.
100%.
Honestly. And she deserves to be our Hustle wrestling champion. What a face.
Yeah.
What a name. What a reign.
Yeah.
Rayne Leverkusen. And what a match this will be.
Wild Boar versus Rayne Leverkusen.
The following contest
Can Wild
is a
Boar
singles
stand this
match
reign?
scheduled for 1-4. And it is for the Hustle Championship. Introducing first, from Cardiff, Wales, he is Wild Boar Mike Hitchman.
Wild Boar ready to take over tonight. If he becomes the Hustle wrestling champion, we are all doomed. Simple as that.
And his opponents, from East London, she is the reigning and defending Hustle champion, the Maiden of Metal, Rayne Leverkusen.
Rayne Leverkusen has been through the trenches and back, and she's ready to go for another war right now.
Yeah.
Let's go, ladies and gents. Let's go. Here we go. Main event, people.
Rayne and Wild Boar.
For the Hustle Wrestling Championship. How beautiful does that look? Here we go. And I'll tell you right now, Wild Boar has the power game. Immediately has that power game.
Yeah. Straight to the corner.
Wild Boar now. Rayne Leverkusen. Giving that respect, saying, come on, let's go. Leverkusen needs to be on an A game, you know.
Yep, for sure. Wild Boar has his ways of, dominating the match. And I'm sure he's going to try and find a way here.
Oh, for sure.
Oh, takedown.
Beautiful. Oh, wow. Just really working on that one.
Wild Boar isn't playing. You see that?
They're both not playing. That's the truth.
He's still stepping.
Oh, Leverkusen with a defiance.
Rayne said, it's my home.
Yeah, man.
My home, for real.
Leverkusen now. Oh, scoops. Oh. Oh.
To the face.
Oh, that's a nasty chop by Rayne.
A running chop.
Boar now can just be as physical. Oh. Boar felt that one.
Headbutt, oh my gosh.
Rayne.
Headbutt on the Wild Boar.
Look at that.
Good luck, Rayne. Oh, straight to the turnbuckle.
Oh, Boar was charging there. Oh, beautiful drop kick by Rayne. Oh, ruthless. Rayne now. Wow. Oh, Hustle champion, man. Amazing. Oh. Wow. Make it rain indeed. Oh, that's just a ruthless. Oh, senton.
Crazy.
Nasty. Boar don't give a damn.
Crazy.
That scoop slamming and a senton. My
Straight
God.
After each other. Rayne must be lost of breath, man.
Of course.
So.
Oh, to the ropes. Ah, kick to the face.
Oh.
And a shot. And another shot. Rayne Leverkusen. Oh.
Stopped her in her tracks.
Wild Boar is a ruthless man. That's it. Smash mouth. Straight in your face.
God. To the throat.
Oof, Irish whip. Oh, running clothesline. Another one. Another running clothesline. Boar really wants to tire out the champ. Puts his weight over Rayne. Look at that, Boar. Oh! Boar is biting Rayne Leverkusen. Boar is biting Rayne. Son of a ruthless man. Rayne is hurt. Ah, the clothesline.
Folded.
This could be it, man. For the championship. Oh! Boar now looking, thinking, what the hell? Should be over already.
It should be, but it isn't. Because Rayne Leverkusen
Oh!
has still got more fight in her.
But Boar with a shot. As much as Rayne can have a fight in her, Boar ain't letting it, you know, he ain't giving it up at all. He ain't having it one bit. Wild Boar with a chop. Rayne is in big trouble.
Rayne
is in very big trouble. Oh. Wild Boar now on the ropes. Oh. Oh. Boar sees it. Oh, my gosh. Almost like an Olympic slam there. Yeah. My God, cover. This could be it for the championship. Rayne still kicks out. Boar frustrated. Wow.
Oh! Straight into the turnbuckle.
Look at Boar, man. Honestly.
And again.
Oh. Rayne's in trouble, man. 1, 2. Another kick out again. Rayne has the heart of a lion, man. Oof. Look at that from Rayne. Rayne trying to go for a suplex, a German. But Boar now. Oh, beautiful German suplex. Right on Rayne's back and head.
Leaving Rayne, like, God, she's disorganized, man.
Boar again.
Oh,
another German.
Another one. Rayne does not know where she is right now.
Boar stalking his opponent. And a third German suplex.
What are we calling it? Suplex City or Suplex Town? What are we calling it?
Not yet.
Suplex Club.
Mm-hmm. Wild Boar. Wild Boar. Going for another German. Oh, okay, this could be Suplex City and Arthur, you know, you might be right. My God.
Yeah.
Boar's just looking in it, looking and thinking, all right, now I've got her down. But Rayne still gets up, man, seriously. But you know what? It's not even seriously. One thing we know is that this woman has been through hell and back. Boar doesn't know what, you know. Oh! Rayne now going for a counter and an elbow now. Another elbow now. Boar's in trouble now.
Big trouble.
Oh, misses the spinning kick.
Oh!
But hits with that one. And Rayne! A German suplex. Wow.
Another one. Wow.
Another German.
Rayne is now taking Wild Boar to Suplex City.
Oh! Rayne with a chop. Counters with an Irish whip. Oh, Rayne! Over back suplex by Rayne Leverkusen. She is on fire. Wow. Wow.
Oh, Spinebuster!
That's what we like. 1 for the championship. Oh, and Boar kicks out. Wild Boar kicks out.
Big kick out from Wild Boar.
This is for the Hustle Wrestling Championship. For all the gold.
The brand new gold too.
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's get to that. Look how amazing that belt looks.
Beautiful, isn't it? Both competitors tired. Both competitors going deep in their arsenal. Rayne thinking, I need to get rid of him as quickly as possible. Give Wild Boar any other opportunity. Rayne now.
Oh, who's
like
going for
I
the
said, 2! And like I said,
big boot.
It's a big boot to the face. Rayne now hits the ropes. Wild Boar! Pop-up powerbomb!
Powerbomb was crazy.
Pop-up powerbomb. Boar saying this is it.
Oh, Matrix!
Beautiful.
Amazing.
2. Oh! That one was at 3, Oscar. That was close. Rayne now runs again.
Rayne is in control right now.
Yes, she is. Wow.
She's alive.
Up she gets.
Oh! Great.
Straight through the bottom
In and out,
rope.
in and out, in and out, in and out.
Rayne is building momentum and Boar's in trouble.
Big momentum. She's reminding Boar, Wild Boar, where he is right now. He's in the middle of the hustle ring, the home of Rayne Leverkusen.
Misses the knee.
Look at Toscano there.
Oh, you
spin.
mean Oscar.
Oscar, sorry.
Oscar's out.
Oscar's out like a light.
Oh! Oh! Boar says this is it. Ah, misses. Oh, the Saguri.
He's not out of that though.
Oh, spinning forearm.
Spine buster.
Double A spine buster.
Going for the lion tamer. Lion tamer.
Boar's tapping.
Boar's tapping.
He's tapping.
Ref Oscar can't see
Oscar,
anything.
wake the hell up.
He's out like a light.
Jesus Christ.
We're going to need another referee.
Right now, Rayne would have retained the Hustle Wrestling Championship, but it looks like Oscar's out, and he ain't getting up anytime soon.
We're going to need another referee. It's like Wild Boar's got a second chance at this.
Honestly.
And he's about to reload.
Honestly.
And, oh my God! Oscar's definitely done though.
Yeah, but Oscar's not getting back up.
He's done.
That's
Package
it.
power driver.
Oh my God!
Bomber clutch.
Jesus. Son of a...
Whoa.
Oh my God, Rayne, that's it.
That package power driver. Wait, what?
What's happening now? What is happening now?
Ted Sabin? Wait, is he cashing in? Wait!
Saban with the golden ticket! Earlier he didn't want to do it! Tom Scarborough's in the ring now! Wow. Ted Sabin says he wants to do it.
Oh no!
Ted Sabin is invoking his golden contract ticket. This is now a freeway.
Triple threat match. Oh! Ted Sabin
with the biggest
Sabin!
chance. Oh my gosh!
Cover! 1, 2, 4! I thought we were going to see a new Hustle champion there. Sabin now. Oh, beautiful. Trouble in paradise.
619 West Coast Park.
Teddy Sabin. No boy Sabin.
It's your chance.
Oh, corkscrew lion salt. 1, 2, we got a new champion. Oh.
Ted Sabin, it's your chance. Do what you have to do to win this title.
Teddy Sabin. Teddy Sabin.
Ted Sabin,
Can he do it?
it's your chance,
Sabin!
man.
No,
what's
no,
that?
the ball. Oh.
Wild Boar finally awake. And he's gonna,
Oh, no. Oh, no, ball now. Trying to go for a German suplex.
Oh
Throws
my
him straight
gosh.
to the champion. Ball now.
Watch
Go
out.
for it.
Down,
That's the
lariat.
lariat.
Ted Sabin thought he was out. But Wild Boar had different plans.
That is it. We have a new Hustle champion, and his name is not Wild Boar. Still a 2. Still a 2. Wow.
This match can go any way. Anyone can get pinned. Anyone
Wow.
can become a champion.
Wow.
Rayne can
Oscar is out, and he's out.
Rayne can retain it. This is a lot at stake right now.
Rayne Leverkusen has 2 threats now instead of 1. Oh, make it rain chops now. Oh, and a headbutt. Oh no, Boar now counters.
Oh, Matrix.
Oh, again.
Bow!
Again. Oh, with a knee. That's it.
Surely has to be it. The
1, 2, oh no. Ted Saban cuts it off. And now
immediately.
Rayne is looking at Saban like, what are you doing here? You've just made the biggest mistake of your life, kid. Oh! 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 Rayne. Oh, and a shot by Saban. A shot by Ted Saban.
Oh,
and a headbutt by Leverkusen. Hits the ropes. Oh, flying discus clothesline by
that was
Teddy
clean.
Saban.
Ted Saban.
Ted Saban misses the kick.
That was clean.
Look at the power. Oh, German suplex by Leverkusen. Wow. Oh, misses.
Straight to the turnbuckle.
Oh, Saban.
Ted Saban. Up top. Oh, misses
Misses
the
the
moonsault.
moonsault. Wow, Boar now in the ring. Boar taking advantage.
Oh, package power driver again.
Ah, man.
Oh, my
he
gosh.
just plants it. He just
time.
plants it. Oh, no, and then Rayne with a knee. 1, 2, 3.
Here is your winner, and still Hustle Champion, Rayne Leverkusen.
Rayne Leverkusen, still your Hustle Wrestling Champion. And is being rewarded with the new Hustle Wrestling Championship. Wow. What a match. Rayne Leverkusen and still she wants both titles. Your Hustle Wrestling Champion, Rayne Leverkusen. Wow. 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 That's a champion there, folks. Your Hustle Wrestling Champion, Rayne Leverkusen. But look who's here! Tate Mayfairs! Tate Mayfairs! Oh, he just can't let it go.
He can't. He's bitter.
He just can't let it go. The boy Mayfairs. Oh, and a kick.
Oh.
Mayfairs now. But Kusen sees it coming.
Oh my
Suplex
gosh.
to Tate Mayfairs. Here comes Nina Samuels. Oh. Nina now. The exclamation. Oh no, misses. Oh, that's a nasty, ruthless kick to the face by Nina Samuels. Wow.
Wait.
Uh-oh.
And Nina Samuels.
They both want that
yeah.
Hustle Championship.
And they both have a story.
They both have an exclamation point to prove. But right now, they're both going to team up on the champion. Oh, and a kick to the face. Nina and Tate.
Joining an unholy alliance.
Oh no. Oh no. Tate Mayfair's now. Here he comes!
Wow!
Skylar has to save the day!
Tate has seen the ghost.
Still chair in hand. Oh, he's seeking revenge. He has to. Skylar now. Wow. Blood and all. Wow. Unbelievable. Sid Skylar for the rescue.
Yeah.
Saving his friend, Rayne Leverkusen. Now look at this team. Wow.
Oi, you two! If you sons of bitches really want a piece of me, well, congratulations, because on March 6th, you got it. But my tag team partner is Sid fucking Skylar.
Oh, there you have it. March, Skylar, Leverkusen versus Samuels and Mayfairs.
Yeah. It's going down.
It's going down, ladies and gents. Unbelievable. F it, scoot up.
Epic.
Pick up, epic. This is going to be incredible.
Yeah.
Wow. Wow.
What a great show this has been.
Unbelievable.
Sam, it's always a pleasure to share commentary. That's
Always, man. I'm just looking forward to March.
Yeah.
Honestly,
A
it's your
stellar
boy,
show ahead.
definitely, it's your boy Sam Blacks.
Your boy Nafi.
Come on,
And we'll catch you on the next one. Peace.
respect.